Hello, my name is Dennis Mburu from DSM, and I'll be showing you how to justify text in Photoshop. So Photoshop is an incredible design tool, but when it comes to word processing, it can be quite tricky, as you're going to see, and perhaps why you have not been able to justify until now. So let's jump right into Photoshop. And perhaps what you've been trying to do is to write like this, just clicking on the text tool and writing "I love Photoshop." So what happens is, if at all you need to justify this text, the first three options of alignment are available, but you are not able to do the justification. So what do you do to do the justification? It's a very simple solution, and I don't even know why Photoshop made it like this, but because we need to work, this is what we'll have to do. You just click on the text tool and drag so that you create a text box, and you can write "I love Photoshop," or copy and paste whatever you are working on, and voila, all the options are available. You can justify in 4 different ways. So that's all there is to it. Try, and of course, Photoshop, we always learn by trying. So thank you very much for taking your time to listen. This is DSM, and this is a channel where we support people with digital communication and personal development solutions. Thank you.